I Don't Care If the Sun Don't Shine is in the key of G, and the solo starts like this. So you play 12 and 11. Yeah, I have my ring finger on the 12th fret E string, middle finger on the 11th fret B string, and the index is already on the 10th fret of the E string, even though you don't hear it. But then you move the ring finger to the 12th fret B string, and you play E and B string as a double stop, so then you can hear the 10th fret. So it's good that the index is already there. Then you want to hammer on with your pinky into the 12th fret E string. Take it back off, and that's the whole first phrase. Then to 7 and 8, E and B string, 6 and 5. Next phrase. And here you use the short F shape, yeah? And add the ring finger onto the 5th fret B string. And you add the ring finger onto the 5th fret D string. And the pinky goes onto the 5th fret B string. Then 7 and 8, again E and B string. So you start with the E and B string together, and just the B string, 10th fret E string, and then you slide to the 12th fret E string. The next part. So I'm not sure if he plays the G string on purpose or not. It may sound like an accident here, but it fits. So let me just repeat the last part starting here. Then I just keep the fingers, the middle finger and the ring finger and the pinky, and add the middle finger onto the 10th fret and play. This is a D add 9, I would say. Then the regular D chord. D chord here, A shape, 5th and 7th fret, the top 3 strings. And then the regular D in the open position. And then the run on the D string. So all you have is open D, then 2nd fret and 4th fret. And then you slide into the 3rd fret of the G string, and you want to hear the B string at the same time for the dissonant sound. And bend up the G string just a little bit. So it sounds like this. And this is the whole solo. So here it is again slowly.